Okay, guys, this is part 2. So, we got the fire team facing we got the fire truck car or running away rescue or first respond and the raft monster truck. We got Twin Mail and Sun Digger. We got the Hot Wheels Let's Race Rip Rod and El Toro Loco, and we got Dragon and this yellow Jeep. First, we're gonna race Dragon.
I caught the yellow one and the off-roading one, the one you're holding.
Okay.
Dad, look, I'm on your horse.
It's a horse.
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh.
All right.
We got Dragon. The car's in the grass, but Dragon looks to be a little further.
All right. So Dragon wins. It's been doing fast since the couple races I did with you guys. So these races are like these races when my dad wasn't filming, that truck gone really fast and it never lost, but
Dad got
one
my
time
truck.
it lost. So.
Oh!
All right. Next is blue team and red team trucks. I mean, car truck. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, El Toro Loco.
If it doesn't move truck in the car, it's okay.
Another monster truck. It's round 2.
Daddy!
Round 2, 2 races, 2 monster truck winners.
Daddy, I flipped it and...
Landed heads up.
Oh!
All right. Michael's setting up the next race.
All right.
Here we go. All right, Bob.
Okay, guys, let's race. Go.
Oh, it's the twin mill.
They jump off, but like a heavy one should do like that for they can not fall off.
Yeah.
Like a heavy car, heavy monster truck. Oh, stay, go for a wheelie.
All right, here we go. The last race of round 2.
I think we're gonna do round 3.
Yeah, but this is our last race of round 2.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go.
Oh, Raph got stuck.
Oh, wait.
Raph got a bounce. Raph did that last time. I see fire response is still up top. That means Raph's the winner.
Okay, I'll go. I'll set the car. I'll set the car or the monster trucks. Then can you guys get ready? Cause eat your snacks, eat your drink, and drink your drink. Just sit down and relax. Okay, guys, we got a car winner. We got a car winner, and we got 3 monster trucks. So it's okay if it's not a car and a monster truck. It's still the race. All right. First, it's Dragon versus El Toro Loco. Three, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
It looks like Dragon's farther.
Dragon's having a good day.
Yeah, he is. He's really having a good day. See, I told you, he'll go fast. Okay, I want the twin mill to win.
Why? Why? That's
I
your
got
favorite?
Uh,
Is that your favorite?
I think it is in this race right now. Go Twin Mill. I gave you an extra boost because I
Hey,
wanted
that's
it.
cheating.
No, it's not. I said it's not.
Here comes Velociraptor doing
Twin Mill 1, Twin Mill 1.
All right, Twin Mill versus Dragon in round 4
Twin
for the
Mill
championship.
1. All right, let's see who's the fastest. Dragon or the Twin Mill?
All right, it's time, guys. Are you ready to race?
That's his favorite song. That's my dad's favorite song so far. Okay, guys.
I like
we got
Lucas
these
Stabilizer,
two
but I
cars
like Blue Thunder's
racing in the
entrance music.
championship. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Dragon! It finishes the day as the champion. What a day for Dragon.
Yeah, Dragon had a lot of hard races, but he's still gone for it and won the race. So Twin Mill isn't the champion, Dragon is. It looks like this moral of this video. I know what moral means is never stop. Keep on going.
That's right, baby. That's right.
All right.
You want to sign off since we finished our race for today?
So this one's gonna be in the next video. Bye, guys.